Hello everybody, Syrup Dishes dishing you new content, and again we're taking a look at the 2019 Club Car Onward lifted golf cart. Showed you repairs on this before. This time it's a speaker that blew from the shaking canopy. Head over to Amazon, check out Pile USA. We picked up this pair of 5.25 inch 180 watt speakers. Throw away your instructions, throw away the red and black wires, you don't need them, don't even need the screws. What you do need is the marine grade speaker in a low profile. We did not get the LED version because that would require us to remove the canopy and create a new power source that we just didn't want to do. Keep that gasket, you're going to want that for cushion and moisture barrier, and find yourself a Star Drive T10 screwdriver or bit and remove the 4 bolts from the existing speaker. Notice the 4 metal clips that they go into, those are important later on. And then as you pull the wires off the old speaker, pay attention which one was on positive, which one was on negative. One of the wires has a black line on it. Don't assume that's negative because you never know how the manufacturer installed it. Here you see the old seaworthy speaker and all of the power requirements you need, as well as the 2 power hookups. Get rid of that, it's no good anymore, and find your Pile Hydra speaker and the gasket. I pushed the 4 bolts through that gasket before installing with the sticky side out, because of course these bolts are not going to line up to those clips perfectly. So I'm going to pull the paper off the sticky side with those bolts in there, holding the gasket in, holding those bolts in, and then I am going to connect my positive to my positive and negative to negative. You may want to do a sound test before screwing this in so that you can make sure it sounds good and that you had a good quality speaker. Once those wires are hooked up, you should be able to connect up just like you normally would on this Club Car Onward. Now you can see me working those bolts and see how they don't match up just perfectly. While this project took me 45 minutes, that was opening packages and cleanup and setting everything up and the camera. This really took the most work, aligning these tiny bolts to those metal clips, and it just wasn't a perfect fit. Take your time, get them to align, and it'll look great in your Club Car Onward 2019 lifted cart. All in all, this project was under $30 and under 45 minutes, so we're going to click this on and head out to the course. Here's wishing you all sorts of birdies and eagles as you strive to break 80 this season and lower that handicap. Thanks for tuning in to Syrup Dishes.